This module explores the diverse applications of artificial intelligence, or AI, across various industries, analyzing real-world case studies to highlight how AI transforms sectors such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. We'll delve into current trends and contemplate the future of AI in these fields. AI in healthcare. Overview of AI applications in healthcare. AI technologies have profoundly impacted healthcare, enhancing the efficiency and accuracy of diagnostics and treatment. Here we will explore how AI supports disease diagnosis, patient care management, and drug discovery. Disease diagnosis. AI algorithms are increasingly utilized to diagnose diseases with high precision. For example, AI systems interpret medical images such as X-rays and MRIs faster and sometimes more accurately than human radiologists. Discuss how AI tools like IBM Watson analyze patient data to assist doctors in diagnosing. Patient care management. AI helps in monitoring patient vitals and maintaining records, enabling personalized patient care. Apps like iCure use AI to ensure patients adhere to their treatment programs. Drug discovery. AI accelerates the drug development process, reducing costs and time to market. Companies like Atomwise employ AI to predict how different chemicals will react, helping in identifying potential drugs quickly. AI in finance. Key uses of AI in finance. AI transforms financial services through algorithmic trading, fraud detection, and customer service automation. Algorithmic trading. Explore how AI analyzes vast amounts of market data to execute trades at optimal times, achieving better returns than traditional human-driven strategies. Fraud detection. AI systems, they recognize patterns and anomalies in transaction data that might indicate fraudulent activity. This significantly reduces financial losses. Customer service automation. Chatbots and AI-driven virtual assistants, like those offered by banks, provide around-the-clock customer service. They handle inquiries and transactions efficiently. AI in manufacturing. AI-driven automation in manufacturing. In manufacturing, AI optimizes production processes, improves supply chain management, and ensures quality control. Production optimization. AI algorithms predict machine failures and schedule maintenance to avoid downtime. They also optimize manufacturing processes by adjusting production schedules based on demand forecasts. Supply chain management. AI enhances supply chain visibility and predictability. By analyzing real-time data, AI anticipates supply chain disruptions and suggests alternative strategies to mitigate risks. Quality control. Visual inspection systems powered by AI detect product defects with greater accuracy than human inspectors, ensuring high-quality output. Future trends in AI adoption. As AI technology advances, its integration into business processes is becoming more cost-effective and scalable. Explore potential developments that could make AI tools accessible to more industries. Ethical and regulatory considerations. While discussing future trends, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications and the need for robust AI governance frameworks to ensure these technologies are used responsibly. This module has provided comprehensive insight into how AI is revolutionizing industries by enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and productivity. Reflect on how understanding these applications can inform your own potential contributions to AI developments within any industry. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this online training module. I hope you found it valuable and insightful. To stay updated on upcoming content, including new modules, case studies, and quizzes, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share in your community. Your support helps me create more content that enhances your learning experience. Don't miss out on the next steps to watch other module videos to deepen your understanding and apply the concepts in real-world scenarios. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.